You will get to know the 9 passive income ideas that will make you rich. The rich people also do these passive incomes, and I am personally involved in the 9th passive income idea of this video. So watch this video till the end to know it. Now let's start. Number 1. Develop an online course. Sharing your knowledge with others offers significant benefits. It fosters personal development and allows you to contribute positively to the community. With the rise of the digital economy, there are now opportunities to generate income by leveraging your expertise through the creation of an online course. The e-learning industry is experiencing consistent growth. The current market valuation stands at $166.60 billion in 2023, with projections indicating it could reach $257.70 billion by 2028. With the internet providing access to a worldwide audience, you are likely to identify your ideal customers. Number 2. Invest in a rental property. Given that homeownership rates have reached a 50-year low of 63.1%, this could be an opportune moment to consider investing in a rental property. However, managing rental properties comes with its own set of challenges. In addition to managing maintenance expenses, it is essential to address delinquent tenants and ensure that vacancies are promptly filled to sustain a consistent cash flow. It is prudent to address these risks by employing effective property investment strategies, including conducting thorough background checks on tenants, securing optimal insurance coverage, and performing detailed investment property analysis. With thorough preparation and knowledge, you can effectively manage the complexities of property ownership, transforming your rental property into a stable and profitable source of income. If you want to know about more passive income ideas, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Consider allocating funds to dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks represent shares from well-established companies that consistently distribute a portion of their profits to investors on a regular basis. This approach not only provides a steady stream of income, but also allows you to capitalize on the growth potential of these companies. Initially, consider exploring companies that demonstrate a consistent history of reliable dividend distributions and robust financial stability. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks that demonstrate anticipated earnings growth in the range of 5% to 15%. Investing in dividend stocks can present some challenges, however. A high-yield savings account may not always be the best option. However, by investing the time to grasp its intricacies, the potential benefits can be significant. Number 4. Consider becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a strategic approach in the digital marketing landscape that allows you to generate income by earning a commission for promoting a company's products or services. When approached correctly, affiliate marketing presents a valid avenue for generating passive income through online channels. Affiliate marketing expenditures are projected to increase from $14.3 billion in 2023 to $15.7 billion in 2024. This presents additional avenues for generating increased commissions, facilitating wealth accumulation over the long term. Number 5. Consider allocating funds towards peer-to-peer lending opportunities. P2P lending serves as a debt financing option that allows individuals to lend and borrow funds directly, bypassing the need for a financial institution to facilitate the transaction. To generate passive income through P2P platforms, you provide loans to borrowers, allowing them to bypass traditional banking institutions. In return, you receive interest on the funds you have provided. At first glance, P2P lending presents certain risks due to the nature of unsecured loans involved. To manage these risks effectively, consider utilizing a P2P platform such as Prosper or Lending Club. These platforms allow you to assess borrowers' creditworthiness and provide evaluation scores to help you make informed decisions. Number 6. Establish and generate revenue from a blog. Each month, around 70 million new posts are published on WordPress alone. Considering the current competitive landscape, one must evaluate whether pursuing a blogging venture is a worthwhile investment of time and resources. Absolutely. A 2023 report by SEMrush indicates that 31% of respondents identified short-form articles as the leading content format, whereas 24% pointed to long-form blog posts. Indeed, starting a blog and maintaining a consistent publishing schedule requires a significant investment of time and effort. By consistently providing valuable content that adheres to SEO best practices, you have the potential to generate significant traffic, which can be effectively monetized. Number 7. Consider launching a dropshipping venture. Dropshipping represents a business model that allows you to sell products without the need to maintain inventory. Let me explain the process to you. Consider establishing your e-commerce website or exploring the option of joining an online marketplace. Identify a trustworthy supplier and choose the right products for your sales strategy. Consider incorporating the products into your store while applying a strategic markup to enhance profitability. Process and order. Please ensure that the order details are communicated to the supplier promptly. The supplier prepares the products and dispatches them to the buyer. Your investment yields a return. Your selected supplier manages all aspects of e-commerce inventory management and shipping efficiently. Once you establish an online store, your small business is positioned for growth and success. Dropshipping provides an opportunity to access a large market while minimizing the need for initial capital outlay on inventory management. The dropshipping business model continues to gain traction in the post-pandemic landscape. The dropshipping market reached a valuation of $249.16 billion in 2023 and is projected to grow to $724.26 billion by 2027. Regardless of your niche, there is potential for you to generate a sustainable income through this business model. Number 8. Consider allocating funds to real estate crowdfunding opportunities. Real estate crowdfunding represents a strategic investment approach that allows individuals to combine their resources to invest in various real estate projects. Crowdfunding offers a unique opportunity to invest small amounts compared to conventional real estate investments. Platforms such as Realty Shares and Fundrise offer avenues for investment in a diverse range of real estate projects, encompassing both residential and commercial properties. Investing in real estate crowdfunding offers several advantages, such as the ability to diversify your investment portfolio with minimal capital, the opportunity to generate revenue passively through rental yields and potential property appreciation, and the benefit of reduced hassle associated with property management and daily operations. Prior to executing this business concept, it is essential to conduct thorough research and assess the history of your selected crowdfunding platform, the categories of projects they provide, the fees involved, and the potential risks associated. Number 9. Launch a YouTube channel. Given that there are 210 million YouTube viewers in the US alone, establishing a YouTube channel to generate passive income is a strategic move. Generating income on YouTube requires a strategic approach beyond simply posting a video. Here are some effective strategies to guide you on your journey to becoming a successful content creator. Select a specific area where you possess expertise. Develop a strategy to produce captivating and top-notch video content on a regular basis. Interact with your audience by addressing their comments. Incorporate thoroughly researched keywords into your video titles and descriptions to improve your visibility. Leverage YouTube analytics to identify your audience and customize your content to meet their preferences. Achieving 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the last year positions you to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, unlocking additional monetization opportunities. Now, if you want to know the money habits of millionaires, then the video appearing on the left side is for you. This video is very informative for you because if you could adopt millionaires' habits, then you will get rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more financial tips daily.